Good morning. Do you know what is the use of pivot table in Excel? Pivot table is a powerful tool for instantly summarizing, analyzing and rearranging large data set without using formula. Pivot table help you structure and organize data to understand large data set. So let us see how can you use pivot table. This is the table which displays the sales record of pulses in India year 2026. There are multiple records in this shape. Our requirement is that we want to display the sales record state-wise. If manually we will do this, it can take minimum 2 or 3 hours or maybe full day. But with the help of pivot table, we can do this work within few minutes. Let us see how. First of all, select the table. Then click on Insert menu and click on Pivot table. Then select from table or range. Here this dialog box will be displayed. In the first, the range related to the existing table, which is sales table, and in the second option you will select that location where you want to display your pivot table, and the pivot table you can display on new worksheet and on the existing worksheet. So I will select existing table and click there where you want to display your pivot table, then click on OK button. Here this is the structure of the pivot table. Pivot table fields, filter, columns, values and rows. In these components you will put the columns according to your requirement. For example, if you want to display the states as column, then put the states in column option. And if you want to display the pulses as a row, so put the column pulses in rows, and in the values option you will put that column on which you want to implement the calculations. So sales you will put in values. Click on state column and put this in the column components. Then click on pulses and put this in rows option. Then select sales and put this in values. After that, close it. Here you can notice all data have arranged. All record have arranged according state wise, and you can analyze the sales of each pulses. So pivot table is very important to arrange the record in a systematic way. Thank you. For learning data analyst course, you can join with RKIT Hub, which is the place of IT education. Thank you. Have a nice day.